and all. My name is Vahid. I am studying in 7th IIT2 in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today I am presenting my PowerPoint presentation on the topic of the mystery of Bermuda Triangle. Here is the contents of this topic. The Bermuda Triangle. This is the place on earth where the few ships is instantly disappeared and thousands plus lives is gone at here. Here is the legend page. For decades the stories made it so much of mystery. Here lakhs plus lives had gone and thousands plus ships and planes had been disappeared. Here is the Flight 19 case. The story. In 1995, 5 Navy ships had went at this Bermuda Triangle. Within seconds they had been disappeared into thin air, and the rescue ships and planes also got disappeared. The Science Gulf Stream, the underwater river. Here at this point there is a underwater conveyor belt which can carry ships in hundreds of miles in few seconds. That's why the Flight 19 is disappeared farly within the rescue ships had been appeared it. The magnetic atomers. Here is the place which magnetic north and north get deflected due to some issues. That's why pilots also get confused and they can vanish into thin air or disappeared into water. The methane bubbles. Here is the pockets of huge methane gas which can't here the ship can't float. In few seconds it will come to down. Rigged waves, the phenomenon. At this area, the three points of water will meet. At this point, the 100 meters, huge walls of waters will form. This can instantly crush a ship. The human error factor, the traffic. At here, so much of ships and flights will go. That's why the more accident will also be. That's why it called as human error factor and the traffic. A truth from Lloyd's of London. This is an insurance company which were few money and few cost for ships or planes which going from that area. Why? Because if they go disappeared, they have to pay more for it. Why it is mysterious? It's not a portal, but human error factors and magnetic factors and the traffic and the ruggedways Gulf Stream make it mysterious. Here thousands plus lives is gone. That's why it is mysterious, and here is the closed case of Bermuda Triangle. The conclusion. Here I have came end of this project, and I would like to share my experience while doing this project. This project increased my researching skills and searching skills. Thank you.